Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for subscribing for house tours, decorating videos, hauls, and so much more. This is my spring and Easter edition. Yes, thank you for subscribing. So yeah, let's start with these little vases. I think you've seen this before, but we just put these like in the spring and summertime. They're really pretty. This one's really nice. This plate is so pretty and gorgeous. Yeah, for spring and summer with the butterflies. And yeah, we put these yellow flowers out for spring and Easter. These are all fake, obviously, and the tulips are fake too. And then we have some roses here. They're actually left over from Valentine's Day, so these are the ones that have survived. But they were for spring too. Okay, guys, now I want to take you upstairs for the main event. Okay, guys, let's go up the stairs. I want to show you all this cute stuff. So some of this will be from last tour. So you know what? I will link the last tour down below in case you want to see that. It's a Valentine's Day with some Easter stuff, but let's see. So welcome to our carrot patch. Easter. This one we kept from last year. We believe in the Easter Bunny. I definitely do for sure. And then welcome. This is new. These are all from Dollar Tree. Fabulous. Make sure to check out all my hauls I posted the last couple of days from Bath & Body Works and Dollar Tree. If you want to see everything in detail, up close. Well, I guess you're seeing it here too, but go check those videos out if you haven't already seen them. I posted 2 Bath & Body Works hauls and a Dollar Tree haul in the last couple of days. And more. Beautiful stuff. I'll do the bathroom and the room later. We have Easter bunnies. Beautiful. We have the Easter gnomes, the rabbits. The little rabbits from the Innocent Store. The gnomes are from Dollar Tree. Oh, these are so freaking cute. Can't even function. It's adorable. Super duper cute. OMG, I don't know why this light isn't on. Ugh, whatever. Right? Isn't that better with that light on? Sorry. My apologies. Anyway, guys, so that is that. This is another Easter sign, which I love. Really pretty. And then, of course, St. Patrick's Day. So some of this you've already seen in the last tour, but I'll link that below anyway. Welcome spring, happy Easter with a tail, isn't that cute? Welcome spring. This sign is so cute. Happy Easter, hop every bunny, bunny crossing, egg hunt, baby chicks. We have Easter, happy Easter. We have hoppity, hippity hoppity. And then I love this little corner right here. It's so cute with the bunnies. And then, oh my God. Cute, right? Obsessed. That is too cute to function. Oh my God, too freaking cute. Okay, let's go to the bathroom and then I'm gonna end it with my room. Okay. Oh my God, there's so much here, you guys. Okay, told you I would show you this all lit up, right? Right, isn't that beautiful? The palm tree from Bath & Body Works. Beautiful. So you turn it off and on with that button right there, and it swirls and lights up. Isn't that beautiful? So I put all the Jeffree Star stuff here and Tree Hut scrubs there. And then I have this sunshine candle holder. This from Dollar Tree I got to put this stuff there. The pineapple soap holder. And then I put the body cream from Jeffree Star, but the body butter on this 3-wick candle holder with butterflies. Isn't that cute? And the moisturizer there. So far, I've been loving the skincare. I'll talk about it in another video. And then I remember to close this, to put the seat down for the video this time because last time I forgot. The Easter Bunny and the spring. Yes. And then my shower routine right now, I put the little Easter Bunny soap holder. I'm using it as a shower gel holder. Pink watermelon, watermelon mojito, travel size, pink pineapple sunrise. What's it called? Body scrub. I'm gonna be doing this routine after I eat in about 20 minutes after this video's uploaded my shampoo, conditioner, and what is that? Oh, this is not even a hygiene routine. I don't know I'm doing this. This is the hair mask I'm gonna be using today. This turned into a shower routine. I love it. This is spring, right? It's like teal. That's cute. It's turned into a shower routine. We live for that. But yeah, you guys, that is everything here. I'm gonna end in my room. I would say this video is a mess, but all my videos are a mess, so what else is new? Alright. It's just what you come to expect from this channel. A hot mess, but a beautiful mess. Isn't this so beautiful, you guys? This pink giant pineapple 3-wick candle holder. And then, yeah. And then more St. Patrick's Day there. Oh, and then just letting you know, I did put the dice from the mystery boxes up there, and the cute little pink yak is there, but anyway, this isn't a room tour, so I'm gonna move on from that. But, you know, let me give you a little room tour, why not? We got the Jeffree mirrors, and a little preview of the collection coming soon, makeup collection. That's just my Jeffree Star stuff, and I have so much more, but I'll be doing more detail of all that stuff later, but I thought I'd give you a little extra-ness in this video, girl, but I will do a whole makeup collection later on, but I updated the house, and that noise is the air cleaner because it's warm and humid because it's like 84 degrees outside. So, yeah, that does it for this house tour, Spring Easter edition. If you enjoyed, thumbs up, subscribe, leave a comment. Thank you so much for watching my videos, and yeah, until next time, thanks for subscribing. Happy Easter, happy spring. Bye, guys.